Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. In our previous video, you would have seen how we have created a first REST API request and we clicked on send and we got the response here. In this video guys, we'll learn what is a collection, what are the different features present in a collection. Without any further ado, let us start the video. For the collection guys, you just have to click on plus. When you hover on the plus, you'll get create new collection. Click on create a new collection. So new collection is created. So if you click on the three dots, you have different things. First is share, move, run collection, edit, add request, add folder, monitor collection, and so on. Okay, first we'll see what is share. Share is within people run via Postman or via JSON link. So these three are the features present for sharing a collection. You can enter the email ID, you can share the collection, or via run in Postman. You can create a different environments the Postman that we'll see in future videos, or via JSON link. If you click on this, you'll get a JSON link you can share among others. So let us see one more feature. Let's see adding a folder. So inside the new collection, you can add a folder. You can name the folder like this. Even if you want to rename a collection, you just have to click on edit. You can rename a collection like this, test collection, and the folder, if you want to rename the folder, you can rename like this, get request folder. Okay, so what exactly is a collection? So in Postman, collections are the group of saved requests. As simple as that. If you want to create a GET request that we have seen in the previous video, so in a systematic way, in a proper order, we can create all our GET requests here, and we can create one more folder we can add. We can put that folder as name as post request. So all the GET requests here, all the post requests here. We can systematically design, and collections are the simple group of saved requests, and we can see more things, right? So if you want to export it, we can export this collection, and we can export it as a JSON file so that anyone who has this JSON file import this collection in the Postman and they can use it. And we have a monitor collection. In the monitor collection, you can set when you want to run this collection. Let's say you have a timer every day 5 p.m. So you can set the time, you can run accordingly. So for now, I'll cancel the monitor collection. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.